Welcome to the vlog. Denise, what do you have to say?
We're having so much fun
Already, even though
Now
we
we're gonna
just
go
got
eat.
Better.
Girls trip.
First,
Take notes.
first of many.
Yes.
Welcome to my 3-day trip to Puerto Rico. Guys, Puerto Rico was way better than expected. Now we are headed to get some brunch. First, restaurant we ate at was called Platos in Carolina. Carolina is about 7 minutes away from the Puerto Rico International Airport. So I had mofongo with some octopus. 10 out of 10. We are now headed to the beach, and I love how convenient everything was here because like everything was so nearby, from the beach to the food. We didn't even have to get a rental, to be honest. Everything was pretty much, not everything, but like majority of the things were walking distance. The beach was nice. We mainly went in the ocean during the nighttime. The only dumb thing was like the mosquitoes. Other than that, I loved Puerto Rico. It's one of those places that I say I must return again. Now we are headed to Old San Juan, where you can find El Moro, Q boutiques, all the colorful houses. So now we're at the store shopping. After the walk, we decided to take a break from the sun. We went to Parque de las Palomas. There's a beautiful view from there. You could see the ocean, the city, and I was amazed how friendly the pigeons were. And they actually live in this wall, which I was pretty fascinated by. Because I would think that they would be like disturbed by the people, but apparently not. So this is the wall that they live in. Look how dope that is. Ah, my dream to live rent free.
We need to.
Isa po, supposed to be din ni mama, tapi sarang na mama ni. Time to horseback ride. It's nice.
Tomada, sabe pra cagar. So good.
Some breakfast. I had smoked salmon on a bagel. So this was the day we were all really excited for because we were supposed to go to the rainforest, which is a very known rainforest in near San Juan. It's called Yunque waterfall. So yeah, it was about like a 40-minute drive to the. Definitely get a tour guide because you're not going to be able to get there by taxi or Uber or even by driving yourself because you need someone to guide you towards where the waterfall is because it's very complex to get there. So for the tour, I definitely recommend bringing closed-toe shoes. Sandals, slippers will not do. I almost brought my sandals, but thank God my friend convinced me not to, because once I got there, I realized how slippery the rocks were. So you need support and grip when you walk. Also buy mosquito repellent, either a cream or a spray, because that's the only annoying thing I encountered. And I didn't realize how much mosquito bites I had until I got home.
A friend we just made. A Brazilian friend we just made.
What?
Chupacabra. All this climbing.
Agora tem um boot. Você tá fazendo aquele tudo dia?
Yeah.
We call him Moribibi because he died and in 20 minutes he's going back.
Oh. Awesome. Okay. Proceed. Terra, yo. It's like, yeah, which is worse.
So from the parking spot to the waterfall was maybe a 10 or 15-minute walk. So yeah, prepare your breath because it was a walk.
Look at the way we have to take, guys. Insane. Climbing. Oh God, so beautiful here.
Baby.
The climbing continues. Oh God. So now we have to go into a cave to go up. Careful. Is that your water, Pat? Oh, it's your water, Pat. Yo, era aí. Soon enough, I have to go down to that slide. Good luck, Tati. good. Oh my god. Woo! Oh, there's a fish! I believe I just did that. Lord. And I cannot even swim. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's exactly what she did. Ah, Shimina! Yeah.
So good.
So after the waterfall, we went back to Old San Juan to go get something to eat and also get souvenirs to take home. But yeah, I did some walking, explored the city a little bit more. Last day, started off with some breakfast and then we headed to the airport. Just want to say thank you for watching, guys. This was a very short trip, and I have an advice, which is die with memories, don't die with just dreams. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back with more videos.